Hey guys, today I'm making Dhal Paratha or Dhal Puri. Make sure to check out the recipe quantities at the end of the video. Into a pot of water, add in your dal, followed by your salt and turmeric. Allow this to boil till soft, and that should take about 45 minutes. Strain your dal and then add little bits at a time onto a board and use your rolling pin to grind it fine. Gather up the ground dal and place it into a bowl. Then add in your ground cumin, chopped coriander, and some salt. Mix everything together well and set it aside while you work on the paratha dough. Into a bowl, combine your flour with your melted butter and salt. Mix everything together using a spoon. Then add in your boiling water to make a soft dough. Use your hands to bring the dough together and knead well. The longer you knead, the softer your paratha will be, so do this for a minimum of 2 minutes. Transfer the dough onto a surface and roll into a log shape. Use a knife to divide the dough into 4 pieces as equally as you can. Roll each piece into a ball and flatten slightly. Then stretch each piece out into a larger disc and place 1.5 tablespoons of the dal filling into the center. Press it down nicely and seal the edges. Then bring the edges into the middle to create a seal. Repeat with the remaining pieces of dough. Use some additional flour to roll each piece into a flatter disc. Then use your rolling pin to roll out completely. Make sure to turn as you go to prevent it from breaking and the dal spilling. The thickness of this should be between 3 and 5 millimeters. Dust off any excess flour, then place onto a hot pan or tawa. Allow it to cook for at least 60 seconds and to brown nicely on the first side. Then flip it over and spread about a tablespoon of butter. If your paratha puffs up like mine is doing here, make sure to push it down, otherwise the underside won't cook properly. Flip it over and repeat the process. Turn your paratha back and forth as many times as required to get nice brown color on both sides and to ensure that it's cooked properly. And it's done. Repeat that with the remaining parathas and it's ready to serve with your favorite curry or with a hot cup of tea. Enjoy!